Well, Peterbilt 379, if this ain't real trucking for you, I don't know what the hell is. There you go, that's my 359. Yeehaw! It is probably in the 20s. There's my windshield. It's frozen over. Right there. You know it's cold. My neighbors are gonna hate me for sure. I've never seen the water temperature gauge so low. Anyways, this is what real trucking's like. When the work's there, you go do it. I can't believe this guy called me a con trucker. What gives you, let me turn this back on. What gives you the idea that I'm a con trucker? Like, or are you just trying to be a troll? Like, cause I've pretty much showed every aspect about being an owner operator there is. And do I not look legit enough for you, or what? You think I'm living off YouTube money? Dude, I've only made $1,000 in over 4 years of being on YouTube. So yeah, I'm living it high off the hog on YouTube. I think I guessed it. Peterbilt 379. You're a wannabe owner-operator, and you don't have the kahunas to actually do it. That's why you come on to people's like my channel and try trolling us. I think that's what it is. I think you're a company driver who wants to be an owner-operator. So you're trying to do everything it takes to get there, but you just don't have to get it done. I think that's what it is. Sorry for all you other guys out there on YouTube watching this. I gotta troll this guy back because that's what he wants. That's what he wants, and he's one of the viewers. And by the way, Peterbilt 379, I'm laughing all the way to the bank as you watch this. So don't forget to pound that subscribe button and pound that like button. Oh yeah, and by the way, I am LDS, and just because I have a chain wallet doesn't make me not LDS. Right there, who's that right there? My wife and I were married in the Portland, Oregon temple. So why don't you take that one to the books? Look that one. Yeah, it's still blowing cold. Well, it's kind of warm now. That light bulb is warm. Well, after about 20 minutes, you can see I got a defrosted spot on both sides of the window. Anyways. So, we're ready to rock and roll. We are ready to rock and roll. On cold mornings like this, I always have gloves. Yes. I don't like freezing my fingers off. Oh, if only YouTube paid more money. 379 Peterbilt, blue 379 Peterbilt. I wouldn't have to do this. But I still would because I love it. Love trucking. It's in my blood. It's my favorite thing to do.
right now.
Martin Luther King getting ready to take a ride on to Othello.
There's 2 of us trucks over here right now. There's one getting loaded. So I'd maybe hold off over there.
Okay, 10-4. Anybody at the Cornerstone job site? There's 2 brothers right there.
1 company truck up there.
Is there room for me?
Yeah, if you get in there before he gets loaded. We had a hell of a time going up that little hill right there. You better lock her in.
10-4, thanks. You hear that, guys? Lock her in. Sliding. Oh, beep. Yeah, he wasn't kidding. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was kind of scary. I'll have to get a run at this one. And I mean run. Okay, boys. This is what dump trucking's all about. Man, you weren't kidding about that hill. Yeah, baby! That's how we do it. Okay. Get her done.
Whoa! New series of Ice Road Trucking. I'm glad you guys were able to catch that. Don't forget to pound that like button and pound that subscribe button as always, and share this on your social media site of preference. Check out the Instagram, Patreon, Facebook. There's the site we're gonna be getting the dirt from and then exporting that. So I'm gonna wait till that guy's done, then he'll get out of there, and then I'll slide back in there, and then we'll get on the road.
We are backing in the job site right now to get loaded. Apparently, going out that way, there's a low wire or something, the guy was saying, so we'll have to pay attention to that when we go out that way. We're going to try to go out that way and come in that way, because that last little hill was a little too hairy for me. I don't know if you guys can see anything, because I can't. Dang, sun's right in my eyeballs. It's reflecting out the hood and right in front of me. Anyways, we're loaded and on our way to what we like to call Cedar Shores or Cedar Mountain Reclamation. Dump this load of dirt. So that's the way. Sometimes being a dump trucker sucks. Had to shovel all that. See if we can get any of that fall out. That was not fun. And that was a lot of work. And none trouble. Let me tell you guys what, that was not fun. Woo! I want to say about 30 minutes of shoveling that crap. Not fun. In the doghouse up here, it was just frozen in there so good, I could hardly break it out with the shovel, so I got it as clean as I can. Hopefully it warms up a little by the next load and, you know, helps melt it a little bit or something. I don't know, but man, I just hope the next load doesn't stick like that, or today's gonna be a long day.